Morning, guys and gals. Froggy here. That's my 2015 Mercedes 350 GLK, and that's my first and my last Mercedes that I'll ever own, and I'm going to tell you why. I'm going to make it short and sweet. There's the mileage, 51,717. Cooling system pressure test, $95 round money. Parts and labor for 2 hoses, $950 round money. Here's the 2 hoses. You can see the residue of the leaking from this connection here. It didn't leak at these constricting metal bands at all. This is some proprietary special, looks to me like a quick attach, quick release connection. And here's the other one. Again, you can see the residue. And again, it did not leak at any of these traditional clamps. Okay? Now, I like to always get the parts when I have some work done by somebody else. So I examine these under bright light and literally under a magnifying glass. And there's no cracks at all. There's no wear because these are not moving parts. The only thing I can figure that went wrong is either it's bad material, and because of the heating, cooling cycles that it goes through, the material expands or shrinks or something. I don't know. Doesn't fit well. And I don't know if this goes into another plastic part or metal part. I'm guessing it goes into another plastic part, but I'm not sure. If somebody knows, put it down in the comments, because it doesn't look to me like this would connect to a metal part. So here's the bottom line. Why should I have had to pay over $1,000 for a couple of leaky hoses on a very well taken care of, easy use, is not a taxi or anything like that, that has about 51,000 miles. And let me tell you, if this was a Lexus, we wouldn't be having this video, because I've had Lexus, I've had Toyotas, I've had almost every make, not all of them, but you know. Mercedes, do I like how it handles? Yeah. Do I like the performance? Yeah. This one has a bigger 6-cylinder engine, so I like that. Do I like how it feels when I'm sitting in it? Yeah. But to me, over $1,000 for a couple of heater hoses at 50,000 miles, that means they're not reliable and the quality is not there. I would expect Mercedes to have better quality. Lexus has better quality. The Honda models have better quality. Subaru has better quality. Why would I buy another Mercedes? I wouldn't. So put your comments down below. But that's it. It's my first and my last Mercedes. So no more money for Mercedes dealers or that company from me. Be safe, have fun. Click on subscribe if you want more from Froggy. Ring the bell if you want notification. See ya. Bye-bye.